Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. At first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY first. So here you can see that DXY is right now standing at 110.41. Yesterday, when we were talking about DXY, it was standing somewhere around here. And we were not sure whether DXY will be going down or going up. It will try to recover or it will be going down further. And right now we can see that DXY is trying to recover. So it is back to the previous support level again. Okay. Listen to me carefully, things may sound a little bit complicated. Okay, see here DXY broke the support, it went down, but somehow it is trying to regain the support again. Right now we don't know whether the support will come again or not. Okay, if DXY takes support and bounces, then we will get the confirmation that okay, previous support of 110.1020 is back again. But if DXY breaks this level and starts going down, then we will be confirmed that this time DXY will be heading towards 109.30 level. So we need to watch today whether DXY takes support and bounces or DXY breaks the support and starts going down further. And if we look at the 10-year bonds chart, then we can see that correction is still going on the chart of bond. We were expecting that market may take support around 4% level, but here you can see the market is trading quite below. Okay, so as a result, this level is not required anymore. We were hoping because the previous resistance had a chance of acting as support, but it did not act as support. So the next support will be around this level. Around this level we have the next support for US government bond. Unlike the previous support, this support is a good one, because we can see that previously market has taken support around this level, and moreover we also have the 200 moving average. So if we combine both the factors, then yes, there is a high chance that market will, US government bonds, 10-year bonds will take support and bounce. If it bounces, then we will see some correction on the chart of gold. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. To be honest, nothing much to talk about. Okay, if you have watched my previous video, yesterday's video, then all the levels are still the same. You can see that there is not much change on the chart of gold, but one thing that I observed today is that on the 15 minutes chart, you can see the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance, but sadly market has already tested the level 5 times, and as we all know that if you find market testing a level too many times, the level loses its strength. So 5 times is a red alert for you. You should not be trusting the trend line anymore. It can be high risk. And moreover, you can see that market is also forming higher lows. Okay, so yes, there is a possibility that by today, okay, there may be a small breakout kind of a scenario and market may go higher. My dear friends, the levels are still the same, so please be careful. Okay, if market goes up, then your first resistance will be around 1673 to 75. This will be your first resistance. If you see the market is going up, and under normal circumstances, if market reverses, if you see price rejection around 73-75 level, then only take a sell position. In case heavy volatility comes in the market, if you see big green candle, then please avoid, don't gamble with your hard-earned money. Then you must wait for the market to reach the second resistance of 1680 to 86. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. You can see that we have others resistances at 1702, 1705, 1722, 28, but I don't think so market will be testing these levels today. So for Friday session, for Friday session, I think 73.75 will be an important resistance, and then 16.80 to 86. But take a sell only when market reverses, only when you see good price rejection from above. And moreover, 1644 to 1639 is also a good support zone in the market. In case there's a sudden drop, you can expect the market to bounce from this level. There's a minor support around there's a minor support around 1655, because see, this support is only visible in the lower time frame. Okay, as a result, this you cannot trust this support. If the volatility is low, then only you can expect the market to reverse from 1655 to 56. But keep in mind, this level is not a very reliable level. Okay, if you are looking for safe trading opportunities, then you should strictly avoid these kind of levels. Okay, this is a level from the lower time frame, and lower time frame levels are less reliable in comparison to the higher time frame. Okay, otherwise the levels that I just mentioned, except these, are good enough. Okay, you can take the position if market reacts or acts according to our expectation. If you look at the economic calendar here today, you can see that there is not much important news for us right now. And if we look at the Forex Factory also, we can see that there is an important news on CAD regarding GDP, and core PC is coming up, but I don't think so this will bring crazy volatility to the market. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. So my dear friends, bye bye, take care, and please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Bye bye.